Hey you beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So as you guys know from the title, today's video is a Nykaa haul, rather the Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. I consider myself a saver and cracked up quite a few amazing deals. Got 5 MAC products under rupees 2,700. Can you believe it? Steal deal, right? Okay, before we continue further, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking the red subscribe button and click the bell right next to it so that you get notified every time I come up with a new video. I make videos on travel, skincare, fashion, lifestyle and sometimes miscellaneous stuffs like chit-chatty videos. So if you're interested, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's talk about the haul. According to me, the best time to shop is during these sale seasons. So you can make the most, you pay less and you get most out of it. Okay, so we'll keep this haul in a very systematic way. Let's start with skincare and gradually we'll gravitate towards makeup. I also got some miscellaneous stuffs. I stocked them up because I know we will anyways need it. So to begin with, this is the package I received from Nykaa. And if you guys know me already or have browsed the channel, you guys would know my love for Korean skincare. And we all love Devashri. So no points for guessing. I got this Face Shop You Do You kit curated by Devashri. And there are 3 reasons I got this kit. Number 1, my love for Korean skincare as I'm going to be using this anyway. Number 2 is our love for Devashri, and it also came with a note from her which is so sweet. And the third very important reason is this amazing transparent bag. Transparent bags are so in nowadays and this one would be perfect for a beach vacation or holiday. What do you guys say? Alright, now let's move on to the contents of this You Do You kit. So it comes in this pouch, very smooth, soft, with You Do You written over here, and it comes with the Twinkle Party Herb Day 365 foaming cleanser, 170 ml of product, so it will last us for quite a long time. Okay, so this one is a complete skincare kit, and now the kit also contains the Yavidam range. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And in this box it has their toner, emulsion, serum and the creme. Okay, and the kit also contains a Face Shop Water Fit tint. I have already used Face Shop's lip tints and watery tints and also reviewed them previously, so if you guys want, you guys can check this video. And one more thing I'll do, I'll link all the products and kits that I have purchased in the description box down below so that if you guys like something, you guys can find the links very easily. And the kit also contains a mascara, exclusive mascara from Face Shop, which I'm yet to try, and so I don't know how this one works, hoping this one to be good as well. So next up, I didn't buy this kit just for these 3 reasons. You know what? Along with this kit, I got 4 things free. To start with, I got this Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil, 55 ml each. Both of these free, completely free along with this kit. Not just that, also got the White Seed range, 2 travel size packs of the White Seed range, again completely free along with this You Do You kit. Lucky, right? Okay, that was it for Face Shop and the free stuffs. Moving on, I got 2 oils from Nykaa. One is their Rose Essential Oil and the other one is the Nykaa Skin Potion Superfood Oil, and along with these 2 got Nykaa's Tea Tree and Neem Face Wash, absolutely free. Okay, moving on, let's go to the most exciting part you guys would have been waiting for, that is MAC. So when you purchase a MAC product, since they are on the costlier side and a luxury brand, it comes in a box like this, the Nykaa Luxury Store or the Nykaa Luxe products. in a black box like this. Okay, and let me show you what I got from them. So I purchased this MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix in Gold Light and got a MAC Mini Lipstick in Meher. But along with just these two, I got 3 more products free. One is a full-sized MAC lipstick in the shade You Wouldn't Get It 648. Also got a strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. And also got their Prep Plus Prime in the original one free in a very travel size. And the strobe cream is 6 ml. So got 1 full-size product free and 2 travel size packages. Now moving on, let's talk about the miscellaneous stuffs that I got. Because we all need toothbrushes, I thought since everything totally was on 10% discount, I got these Oral-B set of 4 toothbrushes. Because yeah, I needed toothbrushes. It will last me for a year long, what say. And also got the Wadi Herbals Luxury Soaps Saffron Soap. It's their skin whitening therapy. I have never tried these soaps before, but I'm really hoping, reading the reviews, that they'll work well. Okay, from makeup products, I forgot something really amazing. So the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It generally retails for something around 300, but I got this for just rupees 202 and I'm loving this one. Also got this Garnier Ultra Blends Anti-Hair Fall Conditioner, just rupees 40. Yeah. And last but not the least, got this Badam Rogan Sweet Almond Oil from Upakarma because I'm getting dandruff and I thought let's try this out. It's Ayurvedic, so yet to try this out and to tell you guys how does this work. So if you guys want to see a review on any of the products that I got in this haul, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you and tell me what do you guys think? I cracked great deals or no? But okay, let me know in the comment section below. If you guys are going to be a wedding guest or you have your marriage coming up soon, I think that was a sale is a great time to shop for skincare and makeup just to prep up. And okay, I hope you guys found this video helpful and interesting. If you did, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section below how did you guys like it, and I hope you have subscribed already. Now until next time, bye bye.